Hey guys, what's up? My name is Vic and I'm here today to talk to you about the LeanBiome. So if you're here, you're probably looking for more information about this supplement, then stay tuned until the very end of this video. For sure, it's gonna be the most complete video you will see today on the internet about the LeanBiome. I also want to give you some important warnings and alerts that you must know before actually purchasing this product, so stay with me, alright? However, if you watch this video until the end and you think you need more information about it, I'm gonna leave the link for the official website just below in the description of this video. Just go to the description box, click on the link below to go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about the LeanBiome. But stay with me that I have some really important warnings to share with you guys. So what is this LeanBiome that everybody's talking about? So the LeanBiome is a supplement that is 100% natural. That is, it has no chemical composition in its formula, only natural ingredients, and it promises to help you to lose weight in a healthy and fast manner. And that's why, guys, they discovered that in fat people, most of fat people, they did a study with twins that you can see more about it in the official website. But they discovered that in these fat twins, they had like a fat microbiomes. So that's why they were fat. And in the lean twins, like in the skinny twins, they had these lean microbiomes. So they discovered that many people that are fat, they don't have these LeanBiomes, so their organism don't work correctly. So that's why the LeanBiome really works, because they discovered this new cause for the weight gaining, and they will work in this root cause and then help you to lose weight in a healthy and fast manner. Also, guys, it will fasten your body's metabolism. It will give you more energy and disposition during your whole day. So it comes with all of these benefits. And the best of all, it has no side effects or contradictions. Anyone can take it because it's only going to bring benefits to your bodies and your organism. All you have to do is take one capsule of the LeanBiome every single day. So you will have these amazing results. You must take the minimal treatment of 3 months or the complete treatment of 6 months, but take it every single day, because if you don't, you won't have results and you will feel frustrated about it. So be committed to your treatment, all right? Take it with a lot of water. Drink a lot of water while you're doing this treatment, because the water can help the organism to absorb everything that has in this formula, and it can even help the LeanBiome to work faster in your organism. So you will have these probiotics, these microbiomes working perfectly in your organism, helping you to have a lean body, all right? And guys, if you're still scared of buying it, if you think it's not gonna work for you, you're gonna lose your money, I have to tell you that it has an extended guarantee of 180 days. So it means you can test it for 180 days, and if it doesn't work for you, you can just go to the official website, contact the support team, ask for a refund, and they will give 100% of your money back. So that's how much they believe in their product. But I have an alert to give you guys. The LeanBiome is only sold on their official website, so it's not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. Remember that to help you out, I left the link just below in the description of this video. This is the only link that you can buy the original LeanBiome from, all right? I also recommend you guys to buy the kits from the LeanBiome's website, because it's a lot cheaper than buying just one bottle. And also, guys, you will receive some bonuses at your house that will help you more in this process of natural weight loss, okay? And this were the information I wanted to share with you. I hope you liked this video. I hope I have helped you. And don't forget to check the website out. There you can see all the complete information about it, and buy the original LeanBiome only by this link. See ya!